Good morning, everyone. This is John, and as we prepare for our first report cards in using Powerteacher, I have a couple things I'd like to show you. First off, as you're looking at your final grade here, and some of you may have changed this already, and some may not have, but several people have asked me what the NAA is, and it's really nothing that needs to be worried about. But here's how you can fix it, and also fix one other thing. If you go to Tools and then down to Preferences. Um, you want to do two things. First of all, let's deal with the NAA. That's points earned, and if you're on a weighted spreadsheet, you don't even need to have it, so you can just uncheck it. The other thing that's important is you should make sure that your store calculated grades with up to 0 decimal places. This is going to go ahead and round the grades to the nearest uh, whole number. So that way there won't be any issues in the future when it goes into Powerteacher or anything like that. So make sure this says 0 decimal places, and this will take care of the rounding for us. All right. So you noticed after I clicked OK, the NAs went away. The next thing you want to do is you want to make sure you add comments. So once all your grades are in, and obviously this teacher's is not in yet, but once all the grades are in, you can add comments. And so I'm going to pick the class that I want to add the comments, and then I'm going to pick the student. Now that I have the student selected, I can right click on that line and I can click Show Score Inspector. I don't have all of this window showing because it does show the student's name at the top, and I'll show you that in just a second. But basically what the district is allowing us to do is add two comments, up to two comments per subject area. So I could add up to two comments. Of course, comments are optional, but typically they're encouraged. So let's say there's a whole list of comments here, and I can select. Let's say excellent class participation. At this point, I can say insert selected, and I can select another one. Uses time wisely. And you notice because I have this set to spaces, it's going to add the comments on one line with just a space between them. All right. I could also, let's just say clear comments. I could also select the first one, hold the control key, select the second one, and say insert, and inserts them both at the same time. All right, once I've added the comments for that student, the student's name's up here. Obviously, you can't see it. There are two arrows, an up and down arrow. Since I'm at the top of the list, I'm going to hit the down arrow, and that's going to take me to the next student. Those two comments are still highlighted. Of course, that may not be the best way to do it, but you could just add those comments, or you can change them. So you'll also notice that once you've added a comment, a little blue circle shows up with a C. That will help you see that there's a comment there. So, all right. I think that does it. When you can click close here. One last thing. When all of your comments are in and all of your grades are in and you've printed your verifications and you've looked at them and you've signed them and you know they're right, you're going to click Q1 in progress and you're going to check this final grades complete box and you're going to click OK. I'm not going to do that at the moment because we're not ready for that, and you are going to have to do that in each area. Okay, so for each subject area, you're going to have to click Q1 and final grades complete and OK. All right. Okay, I hope this has been helpful. Have a great day.